Adam Catzavelos has pleaded guilty to crimen injuria. Well, for more on this story, we cross to our reporter, Chriselda Lewis, who's been covering the case. Chriselda, over to you. Okay, it seems she can't hear us. Let me try again. Chriselda, can you hear me? Please tell us what's the latest.
Good afternoon to you, Nompo. Well, just moments ago, Adam Catzavelos pleaded guilty to criminal injuria here at the Randburg Magistrates Court. You recall, of course, this case relates to the video that went viral of him while he was on holiday in Greece last year, where he used the K slur and basically said that there were no blacks on the beach while he was on holiday last year. And after pleading guilty, of course, that was the expectation from the last court appearance here at the Randburg Magistrates Court, where there was an indication that he was going to reach some kind of settlement or agreement with the state on this, that he didn't want this case to drag on any longer. So he pleaded guilty, and he will be sentenced on that charge next year, in February next year. That's the date that has been set for him to be sentenced. And you'd recall this particular aspect relating to criminal injuria does relate, of course, to the EFF's Mandisa Mashego, who, of course, had laid this charge after that video had gone viral. And also with him in court today, you would recall, after he had settled with the Human Rights Commission that had previously laid a complaint against him, he paid 150,000 rand towards the Seth Mazibuko Foundation in Soweto, where he's also currently doing community service. And pertaining to that particular aspect, you would know that in terms of the community service that he was scheduled to begin doing after that settlement had been reached, there were some members of the Seth Mazibuko Foundation who were with him here at a court this morning, who came to show him some support. But what we also do know is that when the mitigation and aggravation of sentence arguments do get underway in this court next year, we know that Mandisa Mashego of the EFF leader here in Gauteng, will of course be called to the witness box. She will then testify in aggravation of sentence, and we know that in terms of the defense, who will be called to the stand will be Seth Mazibuko, who is of course leading the Seth Mazibuko Foundation, where Adam Catzavelos is now doing a community service. So it remains to be seen next year what sentence will be meted out against Adam Catzavelos, but it won't be the end for him while the issue pertaining to the Human Rights Commission has been settled. And this particular case, now he's pleaded guilty to, he still has to answer to hate speech laws in Greece, where the video itself was initially taken. So while the woes may slowly be going away for Adam Catzavelos, still quite a long way for him to go pertaining to this particular matter. Back to you in studio, Nompo.
Thanks very much, my colleague there, Chriselda Lewis. The Eurozone is